happy St. Patrick's Day! Yay!
We're 100% Irish today! And,
yes, just like his shirt says.
In some of our cases, every day.
Oh, there's a little robin down there. Can you see the robin? I don't know if you can. Hi, little robin. You're cute. We decided to go for a nice walk because we both have to work on projects and stuff. Like, he's working on his comics and I have to get back to painting all my things. But I thought I'd make a little fun, peaceful video of us walking through a beautiful neighborhood full of trees and really fancy houses. There's a lot of fancy houses around my dad's area. It's one of those places where they tear down everything and rebuild. I think these have been here for a long time. Like, I'm pretty sure there was always big houses. That's kind of cool. Look at a little deck. They have a red door. It's a red one. Oh, it feels so nice. It's like our first like 60-degree weather day. It's really cool. We need nature so badly. I feel like we've been inside so much with all the weather and the snow and working on our things. And I was in, like, obviously I had rehearsals and performances late at night in a dark theater. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys later. I see a cute dog coming up here. Guys, I lost him. There's a woodpecker out there. He's so cute.
You want me to go see him? You want me to hold the camera?
What?
I was asking if you wanted me to hold the camera. I could probably...
I got him in here. Oh, he's so cute. Little chunks of wood are just like falling down. It's really funny. Hi, woodpecker. You're adorable. Yay. I love nature. Okay, I'm gonna stop this now.